Now let us see an example to understand this class variable better. So what can we do with the class variable? Let us see an example. So let us create a class again, set the same class, and let us say total is equal to 0. And now let us create a initialize name comma age and instance variable, and setting the data age is equal to age. And then let us, so once what we are doing here, we are giving first total 0. So as soon as the object is created, we know this initialize method is called. So we are incrementing the total here. So at because it is a class variable, we can access throughout the class. So class is equal to 1. So what we are doing, whenever an object is created, the total is incremented. And now let us say end. And now let us define one more class, which is, let us say, details, which just prints out all the values. Puts, let us say, let us use double quotation because we'll be using specially the interpolation. Name is interpolation and at name. The next line puts age is interpolation and at age, and the next line puts the total joint number, again the interpolation, and now get it from the total. Hope you understood the logic. Now end this and the class. Now create an instance. Let us say a is equal to student dot new, and give the name Peter is my famous name, and let us say 21. Now if you get, when we create an object, what happens? This initialize method is automatically called and total is incremented to 1. Now we have one member in a classroom as soon as we created an object. See here. So now let us say a dot details. See here, name is Peter, age is 21, the total joined is number 1. Now let us create one more object. B is equal to student dot new. Now let us say Robert dot 22. Now let us print the details. See here, the total joined is 2. So when we are calling a 1, now let us call this details using a. It should be 2 actually. Now because two members are there, 2 times the initialize method is called and 2 times the total is added by plus 1. Now let us say, see here, a dot details give the total joined number is 1. Now let us say a dot details. See here, the total joined is 2. So how dynamically it changes the number. So understand the logic. Logic is the main part. Hope you understood this example, why we are using the class variables and how we can use the class variable in different scenarios. So keep practicing. Meet you in the next video.